TV kane riwruok mar Gavanas okwedo pok mar omenda mar bilion 420 ma migawo mar omenda chano miyo counties e iko muom mar 2026 nyaka 2027. Gavanas oramo ni counties nyaka yud pok mar bilion 534 e iko omenda manyien kaluwore gi medruok e usuru ma sirikal choko kaachiel gi medruok e tije ma ichwalo kod counties. Gavanas dwaro mondo bilion 8.9 mar chulo jochiw thieth ne jopiny UHC mondo kete pok mag counties ka gibedo gi twak ma iye tek e nyim komiti mar omenda.
The impact on the shareable revenue, on the sale of the public assets. The sale of public assets are paid into the National Infrastructure Fund, Honorable Chair. And as we are aware, there are cases in court relating to its constitutionality. I would therefore request that it may not be possible for us to comment on matters that are currently in court.
We agree with CRA on the adjustment for revenue growth 35. We also agree on the UHC of 8.94, and this is on page 9 of my presentation. But Chair, we have factored in a review of remunerations for state officers and public officers in county governments for the third and fourth cycle. This is a position already adopted by SRC, the Salaries and Remuneration Commission,